Welcome to Day 13 of our Professional Transformation Roadmap. Today we are focusing on how to effectively use Microsoft Copilot for research, summarization, and the concept of vibe coding. Vibe coding is the idea that your natural words are the new code. You simply provide the instructions in plain language, and the AI handles the heavy technical lifting to get the job done. Your Copilot ecosystem is split into two primary roles. Microsoft 365 Copilot, which reads and helps manage your documents and emails, and GitHub Copilot, which specializes in reading and writing software code. Need to research something quickly? By opening Microsoft Edge and asking Copilot for a summary, you can instantly turn long, complex articles into a list of quick, digestible facts. Use the / command within Copilot Chat to search through your own files. It is like a magic shortcut that lets you pull key information from documents without even opening them. To get the best results, use the perfect prompt formula. Simply combine a clear task, your specific constraints, and your desired tone to create truly magical outputs from the AI. Copilot helps you clear the clutter in your inbox. It can read through long, messy Outlook email threads and automatically distill them into concise, actionable lists for your team. Always treat AI-generated content as a first draft. Use the AI to do the initial heavy lifting. But remember that your role is to verify all facts and provide the final polish. You can use GitHub Copilot to demystify complex code. Just ask, "What does this file do?" and the AI will explain the functionality in simple, plain English terms. This is vibe coding in action. Type your programming idea in plain English, press Tab, and let the AI write the actual code for you. Remember to choose the right tool for the job. Use Microsoft 365 Copilot for documents and web pages, and reserve GitHub Copilot specifically for tasks involving code. For your Day 13 action plan, try summarizing a web page in Edge, use the / command to search a file, and ask GitHub Copilot to explain a line of code.